Welcome to Strange Sounds, the iDoser.com series about strange, supernatural, or odd audio. In 1989, an American military network was listening for nuclear submarines when they recorded a very odd noise. Upon inspection, the sound was identified as being the call of a blue whale. However, something was wrong. Blue whales speak between 10 and 40 hertz. Sad Moby was speaking at 52 hertz. It was speculated that Sad Moby had trouble talking with other whales and had become depressed. There is a happy ending to the story, however. Researchers kept a keen eye on Sad Moby for decades, and they later discovered that its voice had dropped to around 47 hertz. It is believed that Sad Moby made friends with other blue whales that were speaking in his hertz range. So what did Sad Moby sound like when he was depressed? Let's listen now.